So 7 years ago, a student came to me and asked, what do I know about coffee? Well, we're open to student ideas and interacting with students in interesting ways, and essentially that was the start of the Monmouth Coffee Project.
We purchased our organic fair trade coffee beans from a farm in Bolivia. Currently, we are limited to roasting only 1 pound of coffee at a time. We have roasted nearly 2 tons of coffee, 1 pound at a time.
18 minutes later, this is our finished product. And now our Scott's roast is ready for sale.
So it's not just about the coffee. These kinds of projects like this allow us the opportunity to talk about topics that don't traditionally show up in a chemistry or business classroom.
We had the coffee, but we needed an identity. One of our students created a logo and a label so that we would be able to market the Scott's Roast brand, something that would identify it clearly as coming from Monmouth College.
Scott's Roast was our client in a recent marketing class. They got to do full-blown marketing plans for the brand. On top of that, we had one student who did an internship with the Monmouth Coffee Project as a sales rep for one of the largest clients. She got very practical experience both in sales and in relationship marketing.
So we're not looking to be the next Starbucks, but we are looking to distribute our coffee around to other local businesses. With a new 2-pound roaster, we could double our capacity, increasing our production and adding more clients. I hope you'll help us achieve our goal and make your next cup of coffee a Scott's Roast.